Assalamu alaikum friends, hope everyone is doing well. Surprisingly, I'm vlogging in English today. And why I'm doing this vlog in English is because I'm collaborating with a friend. His name is Vladimir. I'll introduce you to Vladimir as well. I'm going to the Nowruz festival in the Eastern Helsinki Library. What is a Nowruz festival? So a Nowruz festival is a Persian spring festival, sort of welcoming the first day of spring. Predominantly Iran, Central Asian countries like Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Azerbaijan, and Turkey as well. And we're just heading towards the library, and then I'll show you all the festivities of the Nowruz festival. So this is Stoa, which is the Eastern Helsinki Library, and somewhere around here we're gonna meet our friend Vladimir. Okay friends, so this is basically the Nowruz festival that is arranged or that is organized within the Helsinki Library, and you can see the participants here, and right there on the guitar is my friend Vladimir. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take some beautiful photos and share it with you as well. There is arrangement of a musical sort of concert here for Nowruz, and then we have guests here, and I'll be helping Vladimir. Okay.
Hei, tervetuloa kaikille. Olkaa hyvä. Pyydän istumaan paikoihin.
Yeah, it's good. So the festival is starting, and I'll just take...
این فصل بهار نیست، فصلی دگر است. مخمور هر چشم ز وصلی دگر است. هرچند که جمله شاخه ها رقصانند، جنبیدن هر شاخ ز وصلی دگر است.
So now they're basically explaining in Farsi or in Persian language what this festival is about, and you know, what is the importance of this festival. As you can see, it's predominantly in the Iranian and Afghan community.
نفس باد صبا مشک فشان خواهد شد.
So now they're telling poetry about
باد
Nowruz.
صبا مشک فشان خواهد شد. عالم پیر دگر باره جوان خواهد شد. ارغوان جام عقیقی به سمن خواهد داد. چشم نرگس به شقایق نگران خواهد شد. چشم نرگس به شقایق نگران خواهد شد. این تکاول که کشید از غم هجران بلبل تا سرا پرده گل نعره زنان خواهد شد. تا سرا پرده گل نعره زنان خواهد شد. گر ز مسجد به خرابات شدم خرده مگیر. مجلس وعظ دراز است و زمان.
Such beautiful Persian poetry.
ای دل ار عشرت امروز به فردا بکنی، مایه نقد بقا را که زمان.
So you can see how beautiful this event is, and how amazing the poetry was. We're still here, and let's have some more fun and let's enjoy. And I have with me my friend Vladimir.
به نوروز.
And he's also
جشن
playing as a
فرخنده
musician.
فروردین و روز بازار گل نصری.
It's recorded.
Please.
So you can see people are enjoying here. There are families and individuals, mostly from the Iranian and Afghan communities. As I said, it's celebrated predominantly in the Balkans and the Central Asian and Middle Eastern countries. So most of the people you would see here are from those countries.
بهر تو می سوزد دل ولی تو نداری ز حال زارم خبری آه جگر سوزم را به دل تو زیبا ز چه نبود اثری بیا بر من بیا ببین جا ببین تو چه به سر من مه بکر من سیمی مر من بیا ببین تو چه به سر من مه بکر من سیمی مر من بیا ببین چشم تر من نظری کن چه خوشند و مشیری
You can see so many people are now coming in, families, kids.
به همین خاطر چه کسی از او بهتر میتواند درباره تاریخ نوروز به زبان فارسی و فنلاندی سخن بگوید. خانم ها و آقایان، مری سوفیا.
مری سوفیا فارسی یاد گرفتم با طول زمان ناومد اینجوری مثلا یه در یک ماه خیلی زحمتی هست.
And that's Vladimir doing some photography. He's my teacher in learning this genre of photography. So now there's some snacks break, there's tea, and then there's some fruits, some sandwiches, and some Persian delicacies. And then of course some stalls for buying some souvenirs. So Vladimir, how are you doing?
Excellent as usual.
Okay, wonderful. And how was the event? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, sure. It's nice people, good music.
Yeah.
And the weather is perfect.
It's amazing. Yeah. Okay. And well,
Spring is coming.
it's that's why we are celebrating Nowruz. It's the spring festival. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So friends, the concert has ended, and I hope that you like this beautiful Nowruz festival that was organized by the Eastern Helsinki Library and the Persian community of Helsinki. So hopefully we shall meet in the next vlog. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.